wild thing.
Captain Albert, you started to tell us something about that sailing vessel behind you there in the background. Could you explain again what that is we're looking at?
Yes, that's a replica of the schooner America that won the 10 Guinea Cup from England. England was so removed from the whole world that no one could beat them. They were the masters of the sea. We told them we would kick their butts. They said, really? They wouldn't come and race us, so we sailed across the ocean in the original America and destroyed their 10 Guinea Cup winner in their own waters.
That must be a great story.
We're raising the dive flag here today just to let all the other boats know that are in the vicinity that we actually do have snorkelers and swimmers and divers in the water. And they generally give you a pretty good berth around your boat so they don't run over and hurt anybody.
Isn't it a Coast Guard law?
Yes.
I thought it was.
Yes.
What kind of fine do you think we would get if we don't put that up?
That I do not know.
But it's definitely
ask the captain. That's his responsibility. I'm just the lowly mate.
Oh, come on.
Did you say lily, mate?
Lowly.
Well,
Lily,
thank you for hanging our dive flag today, Faye.
No problem. The other thing I'd like to let everybody know, here at the reef, this is a marine sanctuary. It is protected. Means no standing,
on the reef.
molesting, anything to do with the reef. You can look at it, but you can't touch it and you can't take it home.